Hey guys, AirsoftAl here, and today we finally do it! We finally kill Crossman's little devil spawn. Because we've dropped it, we've banged it, we've done God knows everything to it. Stupid. Well, me and him both just hate this fucking thing. So, what we're going to do is we're going to kill it.
We'll get loaded up and we'll be back.
Yep. Okay, we're going to kill this stupid thing.
Spitting dirt.
Yep.
I think there's something wrong with that mag.
It is.
Oh shit.
It's breaking! Damn it. Fuck, I'm grabbing the 450.
Do it.
Because it's finally breaking.
Alright, that's enough. That's good.
Look, come bounce right back. Okay. Please tell me it is finally. Are you serious?
What the?
Are you serious? Look at it. Please tell me that killed it. Here's the battery. Please tell me that killed it. Oh, what the hell? This thing is the devil's spawn of Satan. Please die. Please, please be dead. Please be dead. Wait.
No, hand me that M16 with a 450.
Fuck this shit. Kill the fucker.
Oh, fuck. Okay, I hit the fucking nose.
Let's just fall back up in this shit.
Shit, that hurt like hell.
Oh shit. Oh, I forgot my pistol. Fuck this shit up.
I think I'm out.
No, you still got shit on the mag.
You want to try her out now? See if she's broken yet.
Well, let me empty the bag. Okay. Now let's see if this thing still fires. If it still fires, and there's no use.
Dude, this is Satan's gun. I think he literally comes to airsoft matches.
Yes! It's finally dead!
I think I know the reason why too.
Why? Get that in the camera!
Yeah!
Yes! Throw it down! Throw it down! Fuck you, Crossman! Oh, yes! Oh, man.
You got a tree I can borrow?
Right fucking there. Bitch up. Oh man, try playing in this. This is. Oh, fuck. Why did I light it bright? Yes! Yes! Oh. Dude, hand me your knife. Get it back over here. Let me take the knife. Take the knife and just stab the fuck out of it. Right here, right fucking here.
Right where?
Right there on that stump.
You want to do the honors?
Yes, I do. That's what we do to crap guns.
And the knife still held up. That's just how I like it.
Oh my god. Okay, so after being dropped, kicked, then shot God knows how many times, it's still fired. I don't think it's gonna fire now.
Oh no, the motor is somewhere out in there, so. Along with the gearbox and
Fucked on everything else.
the rest of it.
Now what are we gonna do with the battery in stock?
I'll keep the battery in stock.
Yeah, the batteries are actually pretty damn decent.
You never know, you might find another gun.
That'll need it.
What?
That'll need it.
You will?
No, that will need it.
Yeah. And we also got the shitty suppressor off.
Shit air. Maybe we can set the shitty walk.
Oh, no wonder it wouldn't come off. But yeah,
That's how
let's show them what we got left out of it.
Oh my god.
This is what we have left out of the whole gun. Awesome.
That is what you do to piece of shit Crossman guns.
Yeah, and unfortunately it was my only working AEG. So
Hey, it's a piece of shit gun that need to be destroyed. It need to be put down, Jim. Need to be put down.
Yep.
And let's see here. It took us.
Is this your sling?
No, that's actually attached to the trampoline. Okay, so let's go over what we used to actually kill the damn thing with. Okay, so it took not only a Mossberg, a PDW by United States Marine Corps, which is not Crossman, a L85 by HFC, a BOA non-GBB pistol, a Black Ops Ignite Springer, and an M16, along with a knife, our boots, and our bare fist to kill a fucking AEG that was made by Crossman.
Yeah. You gotta give them this though, they make them very well built.
Damn straight. Wish we had a 12 gauge though, that would have been a lot easier, but wouldn't have been as fun.
You talking about the real 12 gauge? Because I got one of the tackles. That would have been so much easier.
But it wouldn't have been as fun.
Yeah, true.
Oh my goodness.
But we wouldn't have wasted as much ammo neither.
Oh yeah, because we put, oh my goodness. Oh god, that was so fun. Oh man.
Alright, let's just take this off and give them a walk through what we had to do.
Okay, so what we did was we basically took that MP5, put on the execution block where we kill zombies, and then took all these guns, shot the shit out of it, and then we took a knife, which was that, stabbed the shit out of it, and then we took a tree, which is back there, and broke the shit out of it. So we're going to do it ever again. That's if we come across another shitty gun.
Yeah, and I'm hoping we do now.
Yes.
Because that was way too much fun.
Yes, it was. Alright, well, you'll be getting the video real soon, guys. You'll be getting some nice little destructive music, maybe some hard rock with the destruction. Who knows? If I can find some good hard rock, non-copyright music, so... Yeah, why the hell not? Alright, well, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye! You say bye-bye to...
Oh, later.